What's up? So a lot's been happening with my family as far as like health issues and stuff, so I haven't been able to like record, or at least like find the time to like just sit down and focus on doing something that I want to do for myself, kind of thing. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I make my pumpkin cream cold brew. Now, if you don't know what a pumpkin cream cold brew is, you must be living like 10 feet underground. Because like the day it launched, I kid you not, like 15 people on my social media were just like posting it all over the place, and I was like, oh, well apparently it's like hyped, and I tried it and I was like, okay, this shit is pretty good, like it's bomb. But I was spending way too much money on it. Like $6 for that shit is expensive. When I have barista experience, hello, I can make this shit at home. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it at home. It's cheaper, it tastes better, and it's way healthier for you, because we all know that they put some like crazy shit inside that syrup to make it taste like pumpkin. Because let me tell you, it's not real pumpkin. Like, it would not stay good on their shelves if it was real pumpkin. Now, before I get into that, my setup. I'm sorry if it's kind of messy. You should have seen it before, because like to the right I have everything that was behind me over there, and it's not cute, okay? Secondly, all of my tripods are in Chris's car, and he is at work. So I can't set up my big DSLR, so I'm just using my G7X. Which is like, it's good, you know, like I'm grateful I have what I have. I'm just saying, like, it doesn't look like the best quality. That's kind of why. Also, I don't have my ring light because my cord to plug in my ring light is in Chris's car as well. Why? Because our room is tiny as hell and we don't have any space to store stuff. So we use like our cars as like a storage unit, kind of, you know, is what it is, okay? So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need heavy cream. You're gonna need a sweetener of your choice. You can use like regular sugar if you want, but I just don't like to use regular sugar. I'm gonna use maple syrup. You can also use agave. Agave is really good too. You're gonna need pumpkin pie spice, and this shit's mad expensive right now. I got mine at Walmart because I went to Safeway and it was like $7 for like a small ass thing of pumpkin pie spice. Like, excuse me, is there gold in there? I don't think so. No, I'm not paying $7. This is like $3.50 and it's organic. So Walmart, if you're looking for pumpkin pie spice. And then the last thing you're gonna need, well, you need coffee, obviously. This is my cold brew coffee. If you guys want to know how I make it, I'll make a video on it. It's really easy. And then you're gonna need pumpkin puree. I made pumpkin muffins yesterday, so I just put like whatever was left over inside this little container. So it's pretty easy. You're not gonna need a lot of things, and there's a couple different ways you can make it. So I'll show you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. So yeah, I told you guys what you're gonna need. It's pretty easy. Also, you're gonna need a milk frother. If you don't have a milk frother, just get a bowl and a whisk, because it'll work just fine. You just need something to mix the pumpkin with the cream and everything together to make it kind of frothy. I have a milk frother, so I'm gonna use that. But the first time I made this, I used my whisk, like a hand mixer, or even just a hand whisk, like a regular one, and you'll be perfectly fine. It'll work the same. So first things first is you're gonna need to get a spoon, because I keep forgetting I need to get straight. First things first is you're gonna take a spoon, like just a little spoon, like a tablespoon of the pumpkin puree, and you're gonna put it either in a bowl or in your milk frother. And then after that, you're gonna shake your heavy cream up, because it settles like as you leave it in the fridge. I'm using organic heavy cream. I got it at Whole Foods, but you can literally use any heavy cream. If you don't want to use like dairy, you can use like a replacement. You know how they have different ones, like different kinds of like cream, like coconut like cream or something like that. Yeah, use coconut cream. So you're just gonna pour in. Now it depends on how creamy you want it. I'm gonna put a good amount because I like my coffee creamy. Should I give you guys like an angle of what it looks like? Here, let me show you. See, I put like that much cream. Do you see where it says min? So it's probably like 2 or 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And then after that, let me see if I can like set this up somewhere. So you're gonna put your heavy cream in like I just showed you. After that, you're gonna add some pumpkin pie spice. Now, a lot of people don't like their pumpkin too spicy. Like, I feel like I hear that complaint a lot. Like, people are like, it's just too spicy. Like, they don't like the nutmeg and the cinnamon. So add as much as you like. I like my pumpkins like pretty spicy, so I'm just gonna like go in, you know, smack that out real quick. Yeah, I added a good amount. It's like a lot in there. It's okay. Yeah, so you're just gonna add as much pumpkin pie spice as you want to taste, and then if you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can literally just use cinnamon Or if you don't like the way that the pie spice tastes, just don't use it at all. Don't use anything. Just make this like pumpkin cream, you know? Now, for the sweetener. Again, this is going to be on your taste. The Starbucks sweet cream, or like the Starbucks pumpkin cream, is pretty sweet. So if you like that, then I would use a good amount of sweetener. But I'm going to use like 2 spoonfuls of maple syrup. Ow. I like mine sweet. You can always adjust it to taste, so always add a little less. But like, I've been making this for a couple days now, and I know that I like it sweet. So I'm just going to turn this on, let it mix together. Like I said, if you don't have a frother, just use a hand mixer, a whisk, anything. You can honestly even use a fork, just something to get the ingredients like incorporated together. So whatever you have, use it, and then I'll be right back after this is done mixing. Okay, so I'm not going to show you guys my face because I feel like this part is like the best part, and I want you to see it up close. Can you see good? I hope so. So you're going to pour your coffee, which mine is cold brew, to like there. Now, I got this cute ass little thing from Michael's. Look at it. It was $2. Do you see this? Okay, this is where my cream is. And now, let's watch the magic. Are you kidding me? Look at that. But yeah, guys, this is the pumpkin cream cold brew. Do you see that? She's beautiful. See the cream just sitting on the top and all the spice to the bottom? Oh. So let me know if you guys like this video, and if you try it out, let me know if you think that this tastes like the pumpkin cream cold brew. I honestly do. And let me know if you guys want more coffee videos, because like I really love coffee. I do. I drink it every day. I'm sure it's running through my veins. There's days where I drink more coffee than I do water. It's not good. I'm not proud to admit it, but it's just a fact. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and leave a comment down below if you guys have any video ideas, and let me know if you guys like this drink. I'm really excited about it. I get really excited when I make like coffee taste like somewhere I tried. Like, oh, I say like a lot. But if you guys have been to Phil's, I have recreated their iced coffee, and let me tell you that it's like their oatmeal cookie. Girl, I can do that shit at home. You probably can't even see my cute ass ice cubes. Can you see them? Come on. Do you see how little they are? Do you see it dripping water? It was low-key hard to get these ice cubes out of this freaking ice cube tray. That's my only complaint. There's still one in there. You see it right there? But this ice cube tray was dope. I got it at World Market, and it was like $6, and it's super cute. But I wanted to wait to record the video until I like got around to like actually washing this. But I did, and here we are, and I'm rambling once again. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like, subscribe, like, you know, all that shit, and leave a comment. Let me know you're watching. Even if it's just like something silly. Like, I don't care. How was your day? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, I hope you have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye!